everyone, and welcome to Neci's Kitchen. Now you may be asking, what can I expect from this show? You can expect to enjoy my quirkiness as well as I teach you how to create veggie-loaded, quick, budget-friendly meals for families. Now you may be wondering, why did I decide to start a cooking show? This is my way of giving back to people and to families that we can change our lifestyles, we can change our culture, we can change things just by the way that we eat. What we put in our bodies is very, very important. So that's why I started this show, to help other people that may not know of quick, veggie-loaded foods that are budget-friendly so you can eat well as save money. This show is for families of 1, 2, 3, 10, 15. It doesn't matter how many people are in your house. The family that cooks together shares the wealth of health. Now you may be asking, what types of food will you be cooking? Stir fries, sheet pan meals, lots of meals with vegetables. Check us out on YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube page. Stay tuned for our first episode.